Hi friends, I'm Penny, here to give you my 2 cents about saving for college. Today, we are answering a question from Riley in Bellevue, Nebraska. Dear Penny, we moved to Nebraska a few months back and opened a Nest 529 account in addition to the one we already had from the state we lived in. Can I move the funds from our old account into our Nest 529 account? Well, welcome to the good life, Riley. In short, yes, you can absolutely move your funds over to Nest 529. When you do, you'll enjoy all kinds of great benefits, like a potential Nebraska State income tax deduction on your rollover. But before you get started, it's a good move to review your current plan and meet with a financial pro. They can show you the benefits and advantages of rolling over and make you aware of any penalties, extra charges, or tax consequences that you might run into. The process itself is pretty simple. Step 1. Open your Nest 529 account at nest529.com. For you, Riley, this step's already done. Step 2. Download and complete an incoming rollover form. One thing to note, you'll need to have the rollover form verified with something called a medallion signature guarantee, a stamp that verifies your identity and legitimizes the rollover. Your bank can usually help out with this or get you pointed in the right direction. Step 3. Once you have everything ready to go, all you need to do is mail the form to Nest 529. You can find our address on the form or at nest529.com. Then we'll take care of the rest. Thanks for that question, Riley. And that's all for this episode. But you can check out answers to other college savings questions or submit your own at nest529.com/askpenny. This is Penny signing off and reminding you to save early so your loved ones can soar. See ya.
An investor should consider the investment objectives, risks, and charges and expenses associated with municipal fund securities before investing. This and other important information is contained in the fund prospectuses and the Nest Direct College Savings Plan Program Disclosure Statement, Issuer's Official Statement, which can be obtained at nest529.com and should be read carefully before investing. You can lose money by investing in an investment option. Each of the investment options involves investment risks, which are described in the Program Disclosure Statement. An investor should consider before investing whether the investors or beneficiary's home state offers any state tax or other state benefits, such as financial aid, scholarship funds, and protection from creditors that are only available for investments in such state's 529 plan. Investors should consult their tax advisor, attorney, and/or other advisor regarding their specific legal, investment, or tax situation. Account owners are eligible to receive a Nebraska State income tax deduction of up to a maximum of $10,000, $5,000 if married filing separately, for contributions they make to their own Nest accounts. Contributions in excess of $10,000 cannot be carried over to a future year. For a minor-owned or UTMA 529 account, the minor is considered the account owner for Nebraska State income tax deduction purposes. The minor must file a Nebraska tax return for the year their contributions are made to be eligible for a tax deduction for their own contributions. In the case of a UTMA 529 account, contributions by the parent or guardian listed as the custodian on the UTMA plan account are also eligible for a Nebraska State tax deduction. Rollovers from another qualified tuition program are treated as a non-taxable distribution from the distributing qualified tuition program, provided it has been more than 12 months since any previous rollover for the beneficiary, or the beneficiary of the account is changed to a member of the family of the current beneficiary.